What's up, people? So in this video we're going to talk about gold analysis for the third week of September. Now, gold has been bearish for a very long time and is still bearish because why? The US has not stopped increasing interest rates. So on the weekly time frame, you can see we have 1, 2, 3 resistance touch of this trend line, and anytime it gets to a trend line on the weekly time frame, it is instantly rejected. So let's head over to the daily time frame. Now the market just opened, so there is nothing really happening for now. So on the daily time frame, what you can see is that we had a small retracement. Now this gold has been respecting this daily trend line, which is a white line, for about 2 times now, and suddenly we broke above. But the broke above doesn't mean that gold is automatically bearish. There is a very high probability that gold can come back bearish. Why did I say so? Now let me show you the reason why. First of all, let me move this order block. Gold failed to close above these highs on the daily time frame. That is the reason why I'm still bearish on gold. Now as long as gold remains below this trend line here, this one, gold is bearish. So what I was expecting to see, or what usually confirms a change in market structure, is if you can close above this week. That will be perfect. But so what I'm expecting for this week is that we'll see some sort of 4-hour double top break of structure around here. Then gold is going to fall down massively. Now let me show you where my price target for gold. This is what I'm expecting. Okay, let me get part 2. So I'm expecting something like this. But why? We have another block just below this level. So though it will take time to get there, because the market does not just move in a straight line, it moves down, goes up small. So the first level, for take profits, if you're a swing trader or intraday, should be this level. But if you're a scalper, you don't have any problem, you can take a profit. In fact, within just 50-20 pips and you're done. But for intraday and swing traders, first level to take profits here, second level here. So then on the 4-hour time frame, what you should expect to see are bearish chart reversal patterns, showing you that the trend is trying to align to the higher time frame trend. Because remember, the weekly says bearish, daily says bullish. So we want 4 hours says bullish. We want the 4-hour time frame to align with the weekly time frame. In fact, when those two align, in fact, the way the kind of moves you see in gold, damn. So that is what. Then on the flip side, we might see this is for the long side of the market, or the buy side. I'm giving that about, let's say, 30% consideration, because see what we can see. If that happens, you might see price come down to this other block here, forms either a double bottom, any kind of confirmation pattern, then rallies up from here. Okay, I'm coming. Then we see the rally up from here to the next resistance level. By then, if this should happen, then you can say that okay, gold has changed direction, because before gold you will to hit this next resistance level, it must close above. Because if you look at this, you can see an inverted head and shoulders pattern. Now I'm not a pattern kind of person or trader, but I still keep that at the back of my mind. So you can see a very clear inverted head and shoulder forming, but we don't have a confirmation, because this can instantly turn and in fact crash back down and continue the bearish momentum that we've experienced since. So what you should do is that you should be more bearish than bullish, because as long as the United States are seeing increasing interest rates, gold is not going to do well. Now let's also check the dollar index, DXY. Let's start from the weekly time frame. Right, you can see on the weekly time frame, the dollar index is still very strong, very bullish. But on the flip side, we are now in a very, in fact, I won't say strong resistance, but in fact this is a strong resistance because why? It has been visited before, came back down, came back up again, but could not get there. Now we are there again. So in fact, this is a very crucial moment because why? If DXY, the dollar index, could break above successfully, in fact, gold is going to cascade down seriously. So in fact, you're going to see some serious selling pressure on gold. But if you could get a huge rejection from this level, in fact, gold is going to do insanely well. So what to do, you have to pay attention of this on the 4-hour and the daily time frame. Those are the two time frames you should pay attention for DXY. Now there isn't much to say. Like if you can see the 4-hour time frame now, there is no sign of any bearish. You can only get a retracement. That minor retracement will get to this trend line might cause gold to pump up small. But as long as this trend line is not broken and the major level in 4-hour time frame is not broken, DXY is still bullish. So alright, if you love this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you next one. Take care.